Alright, welcome back to the channel. Just a little quick update on the Daily Driver Red SS. Went ahead and put a new serpentine belt on. New alternator, Delphi. New idler pulley. New tensioner pulley. I was getting some cold start tweaks, little bearing, bad bearing action. So, but keep in mind, this is an 03 SS. Okay. My daily driver. Sure, it's got the rust on the back, you know, typical shit, you know. There's really nothing here at all on the other side. But anyway, the truck came like that. I'm not worried about that. It's a daily driver. The sumbitch is reliable as hell. So, point is, that original alternator was 22 years old. Idler pulley, 22 years old. Tensioner pulley, 22 years old. Now granted, the belt, that was a Continental. I put it on in April of 22. So I thought, well, I'm in the midst of doing all this shit. Why not put a new belt on? So I got a Gates belt. Sucker's purring like a kitten, like it should be. But the hood's under, you know, I'm kind of in the shade and the sun here, but I keep this engine as clean as I can. Got my die-hard battery. Never blown a fuse in this truck. I did do a new wheel. Well, my buddy James helped me out do them, but it's got new calipers, pads, rotors on the back. I got new calipers, or I'm sorry, new rotors and pads up front. That wheel hub bearing was done 3 years ago. That one's still good. So last week I was doing the front brakes and noticed that the bearing had movement in it. So and my buddy Rob replaced that for me. I didn't want to deal with it. He cut me a real good deal on it. So it's got a new wheel hub bearing. I put my centric spacers back, centric rings back in, you know, on the aftermarket rims, because you want to keep those on, so you're not just relying on that, just relying on the lug nuts. So I got to put my center caps back on, double check my lugs, but time to give these suckers a bath. We got pollen and all kind of shit blowing around, but hey, it ain't winter time. It's April, it's spring, love it. So anyway, just had a power steering pump replaced on the blue one. That sumbitch went out, original one. But that sumbitch went out and fluid all over the front of the engine. I got home 2 weeks ago and noticed a big old black puddle under the truck. I was like, oh fuck. So, ended up being a power steering pump, but got that sucker replaced. Now this one has got all new brake hoses, calipers, pads, rotors, all of that. See, look at all that. I don't know if you can really see up in there, but that's got all the new goodies up in there. Look at that, look at that. Fantastic stopping power. So, yeah, it sucks to put out the money, you know, as quick as you can make it, you got to spend it back out, but had to be done. Caliper was was freezing on the passenger side. And you know, sometimes things happen for a reason. Because I had no idea that the caliper was not doing its proper job on the inside, releasing the cylinders. Because these, when I got the truck last year, they were drilled and slotted rotors and you know, performance pads and all that shit. So anyway, I'm back to square one, all new shit. So new calipers, brake line hoses, rotors, all that, all the goodies, goody gumdrops. Oh, gotta look in there, look at that. Them burnt blue tips. Oh yeah. Anyway, back to old reliable red. I call it pretty red, cherry red, reliable red, whatever. Hey, this is not promotional, but check out Rust Bros on YouTube. Mike Hall, Connor, Blair, all them boys, Avery. Damn good show. They do good content, honest shit. So I like watching them. So anyway, so as we've been talking, hear that 6.0. 198,000 miles on it. She's just running real good. Brake fluid, all levels. Everything's where it's supposed to be, clean. Now I have not detailed the engine yet. We're coming out of winter. All that bullshit. So I'm gonna have to next month probably in May I'll detail it, because we're still gonna have pollen and all kind of stuff going through, floating around and stuff on the trees. But got the Delphi. I'm pretty proud. I did it all myself. I mean, not that it's difficult, but you know, you want to double check all your work. Got my little boot on. Harness is plugged up. The little nut washer there to tighten all up. All the bolts are cranked down. I think, can't remember, they were 33 pounds or 37, somewhere through there, for the idler pulley and the tensioner pulley. But I love to see that brand new belt. Wheels on the bus go round and round, just like that damn belt. Anyway, I'll keep you posted with more content. I do have a new filter coming today. I damaged the suffix a little bit getting it out of there, but mended it back for a temporary thing. It's coming later today from Amazon. This is just a knockoff setup for the cold air intake, but hey, it works. It gives it that extra pep. It's not a Vortec Max, but I like the sticker there. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. It's not an Intimidator either, but it is an SS, so it's half correct. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. I'll be back with more content. Oh, the Trans Am is sitting up in the garage. I took that to go get my parts this morning. It's a beautiful sunny day. Beautiful sunny day. Patio's coming around. Everything's coming back with the green. Got to get my mulching and all my shit done here before long. But yeah, another great thing that I bought back in I think end of November, beginning of December. Always wanted me a mechanic toolbox. That way I can wheel that sucker right on out of the garage, do what I got to do. Got most of my car and truck related tools up in there. Some of my Ryobi stuff, but anyway. Alright, red SS, blue SS. Beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Brian, out.